Ever stumbled upon a fantastic local spot that isn't on Google Maps yet? Let's change that and help the world discover your favorite hidden gems. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone and locate the area where your missing place exists. Next, find the exact spot on the map where you want to add the location. Tap and hold on the map until a red pin appears. Once the red pin is in place, a small menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the option that says Add a Missing Place. Now, you'll see fields to fill in. Start by entering the correct name of the business or landmark in the name field. Then, tap on Category and select the most appropriate category for your location. If you can't find an exact match, choose the closest one available. This is where you can really help others. In the address section, the pin location usually pre-fills the coordinates, but you can also add specific street address details if known. Scroll down further, you can add vital information like the phone number, website, and even operating hours for businesses. The more details you provide, the more helpful it will be. Pro tip: if you have photos of the location, tap Add Photos to upload them. Clear, appealing images make a big difference in helping people recognize the place. Once you've added all the relevant details, simply tap the Submit button at the top right corner of your screen. Your contribution will be sent to Google for review, and usually, within a few days, your added location will start appearing on Google Maps, ready for everyone to discover.